Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine. And tell you about yourself. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Rakhinsa. I live in Badot. I have passed class 12th and nowadays pursuing my graduation. I have done my basic computer course, Hindi and English typing, and preparing a civil service exam by YouTube with self-study. About my family, so there are four members. About my hobbies, speech, teaching, cooking, and read a book and written a story and organize a program in my college. This is about I want to be a IS officer. This is about myself. If you want to ask anything, so you may be asked.
Would you like to earn money?
Yes, I would like to earn money
Why would you like to earn money?
because I need it.
Have you ever gone to Dehradun?
No, I have not gone to Dehradun.
Do you dare to fight with mother?
No, no, I have not dared to fight with my mother.
Do you need to earn money?
Yes, I need to earn money.
Why do you need to earn money?
Just like that.
Would you like to go to Agra?
Yes, I would like to go to Agra.
Why would like you to go to Agra?
Just like that.
With which stream have you passed 12th?
I have passed the art side.
Do you try to speak Hindi at home?
No, I do not try to speak Hindi at my home.
What do you want to be?
I want to be an IS officer.
What are you doing? Want to become a IS officer?
I'm preparing a civil service exam by YouTube with self study.
Do you like to watch TV?
No, I do not like to watch TV.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I no, I will not come tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I know your name?
I beg your pardon.
May I know your name?
My name is my name is Rakhinsa.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Chitrakoot.
And what have you passed so far?
I have passed 12th.
Okay. Are you Anu Swami?
No, I'm not.
Who are you?
I'm Rakhinsa.
Can you prepare tea?
Yes, I can prepare tea.
How can you prepare tea?
I can prepare tea because I have learned it
Where have you learned it?
from
From?
at my home.
Okay. Do you like to cooking food?
I beg your pardon.
Do you like to cooking food? Cook food.
Yes, I like to cook food
Why do you like to cook food?
because I have learned it.
Okay, ma'am. Are you fond of tea?
No, I'm not fond of tea.
Who are you fond of?
I'm fond of study.
Study. Okay. Are you fond of iPhone?
No, I'm not fond of fast food.
Do you need to come here?
Yes, I need to come here.
Do you dare to sing a song?
No, I do not dare to sing a song
Why do you not dare to sing a song?
because my voice because I have not learned it.
May I come in? No. May I talk to you?
Yes, you talk to me.
Would you like to drink water?
Yes, I would like to drink water.
Have you taken your breakfast?
I have taken
With
my
whom
breakfast.
have you taken your breakfast?
I have taken my breakfast with my mother.
At what time do you take your breakfast?
I taken my breakfast at 9 o'clock.
Are you fond of taking tea?
No, I'm not fond of taking tea.
Do you dare to drive a car?
Yes, I dare to drive a car.
Have you ever gone to Badrinath temple?
No, I have not ever to gone to Badrinath temple.
Would you like to go to Badrinath temple?
Yes, I would like to go to Badrinath temple.
Will you take lunch?
Yes, yes, I will take lunch.
With whom will you take lunch?
I will take lunch with my family members.
Do you love to watch cartoon?
Yes, I like to watch cartoon.
Do you love to watch cartoon?
Yes, I watch like cartoon. Yes, I love to watch cartoon.
Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken my breakfast.
What have taken in your breakfast?
I have taken tea, a cup of tea and biscuit
Do you want to learn spoken English?
because I need it. Yes, I want to learn it.
Are you sick of your family?
No, I'm not sick of my family.
Why are you not sick of your family?
because how does not sick? Who does not?
And who are you sick of?
I'm sick of my health.
Health. Okay.
Do you study?
Yes, I study.
Where do you study?
I study at my home.
With whom do you study?
I study at alone.
At what time do you study?
This is not confirmed.
How do you learn study?
How do you learn study?
How do you study?
How do you study? I study offline and online.
Would you like to visit any place in India?
I beg your pardon.
Would you like to visit any palace in India?
I would like to Vrindavan visit place of India.
Okay, with whom would you like to visit Vrindavan temple?
With my family members visit of Vrindavan.
Okay. Are you fond of your name?
I beg your pardon.
Are you fond of your name?
Yes, I am fond of my name.
Do you have to study?
Yes, I have to study.
Okay.
Okay, then have a great time. See you next time.